In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix "Sorry, the page you are looking for cannot be found" error on Shein app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So in most cases, this is a 404 error, and most likely this implies that the pages have been taken offline or they no longer exist on your app. If you're seeing this error, you may want to try and log into Shein web-based version to see if you are able to log in and access these pages on your Shein app. However, if this still persists, then try troubleshooting your Shein app by going to settings, and from settings look for this option called apps. Under apps, look for manage apps or all apps option. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for your app, and here go to force stop app and OK. Go to clear data, choose clear cache, OK, and clear all data. Then go to your phone and check if you have any update. Update your Shein shopping app to the latest version. Once you're done, restart your smartphone, and now if you open your Shein shopping app, everything should be up and running without any issue. However, if this still fails, then most likely Shein might have experienced an internal server error. For that, you need to wait after some few minutes. Try logging into your account, and now you should be able to shop online without any issue. So let me know which of these was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.